Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here bringing you another product reveal with the Slimline Scalloped Peekaboo die. So this is what the die is going to look like when you receive it. I have yet to cut it apart. And at this point, it's going to measure 3.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches long. Now you don't have to cut it apart unless you want to use the two pieces separately. So let's have a look at it cut apart. The scallop die is still going to be 3.5 by 8.5 inches. With the center, this is the stitched peekaboo die, and that measures 2 3/4 inches wide by 7 5/8 of an inch long. Now I've cut 3 pieces out for you. The far left is cut as a whole before I actually cut the dies apart. And then of course we have the scalloped panel, and then we also have the stitched peekaboo. Now, when you cut the stitch peekaboo, this is what it's going to look like. This is cut or an 8.5 by 11 inch piece of paper, and it doesn't actually cut the panel out for you. You're going to have to take this to your paper trimmer and cut around it to create that panel if you want to use this as two separate pieces. It does cut the little peekaboo windows for you, and it does emboss the windows so that it folds open easily for you. So if you want to see more inspiration featuring this Slimline Scalloped Peekaboo die, head on over to the blog or follow Whimsy Stamps on Instagram. We would love to have you join us on the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. And I want to encourage you to check out the design team's social media and blogs. Thanks for joining me for another product reveal. Be sure to click that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.